Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In the last two classes, we have learnt about two things. In the first class, we have discussed about two particles va and this, and in the next class, we have learnt about negative form of this. So in today's class, friends, I will tell you basic structure of Japanese language. Like in English, we have alphabets A to Z. In Hindi also, we have Varnmala. So in Japanese language, we have three types of characters. First is hiragana, second is katakana, and third is kanji. So friends, hiragana is for native Japanese words. So for native Japanese words, they use hiragana. For foreign words like coffee, ball, etc. and many more will come in the further course, they use katakana. And whenever you see any Japanese sentence, some pictures are also there. Those picture like structures are kanji. Kanjis are mainly Chinese language derivatives. So these three are the parts of Japanese language: hiragana, katakana and kanji. So friends, today we will learn about hiragana. Today we will learn about hiragana. So friends, when I was studying hiragana, I was very upset because it was very difficult for me to remember all these characters. So which technique I followed, I will tell you the same technique so that you can remember these characters easily. I hope you will find my tips useful. So let's start with hiragana. In English, we have 5 vowels: A, E, I, O and U. So in Japanese also we have 5 vowels, but we pronounce these vowels and the sequence of these vowels is different. Like A, I, U, A and O. So now I will write A. So friends, please take care of the stroke orders. Actually, I don't follow proper stroke orders, but if you want to write perfect hiragana, you must have to follow stroke orders. This is A. A. So how to remember this A? A is like a foot with a leg. This is picture of a foot. Friends, my drawing is not so good, so please try to ignore this. Just to remember how to write A. This is the basic structure A, and this foot is like this. A. Ashi. Ashi means foot. So second is I. It is not I, it is I. I. So I is Isu. Isu means chair. So 2 stands of a chair is like I. Third one is U. So if you see ushi, ushi means cow in Japanese. It is like U. U. Half face, you can say half face of ushi is U. Next one is A. A is Enpitsu. Enpitsu means pencil. Enpitsu. I. U, A, O. So friends, this is A. Suppose this is peak of your pencil and this is base of your pencil. A, I, U, A. And the next one is O. So O is with a O in its structure. O. A, I, U, A, O. I hope this is clear to you. So friends, now we will come on the next line. So next line will be Ka, Ki, Ku, Ke and Ko. So Ka, Ka, Ka. 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 Ka for Kasa. Kasa is for umbrella. Kasa is for umbrella. Remember this hood of umbrella. This is Kasa. Next one is Ki. Ki is for tree. Tree. Ki is called tree in Japanese. Also, you may say a tree is called ki in Japanese. Ki. Next one is Ku. Ku. Ku is Kutsu. Kutsu stands for shoes. Ku. Kutsu. Kutsu stand for shoes. So this is like shoes and this comes like this. Friends, my drawing is not so good, so please try to ignore this. Just remember the signs which I am telling you so that you can remember these alphabets easily. Next is K. K. K is Keshigomu. It's like eraser. An eraser that has two parts. One is small, one is large. K. Next is Ko. Ko. Ko is like Ko. Ko is like this. Ko. Ka, Ki, Ku, Ke, Ko. Next line will be Sa, Shi, Su, Se, So. Sa, Shi, Su, Se and So. So, Sa is like a fish body in water. A fish body swimming in water. That is Sakana. Sakana means fish in Japanese. So, Sa, a swimming fish. The main is this is water body and this is body of a fish. Sa. Next one is She. She is like a tail. See, she is like a tail. She is like a tail. Next one will be Sue. This is Sue. Sue is like a big watermelon. Watermelon is called suika in Japanese. So this body is like round melon. Suika. Watermelon. Next is say. Say. Say is like a back. Seneca. Back is called Seneca in Japanese. Say. And next one is so. So. So is a songbird. It is a singing bird with a big tummy. Singing bird with a big tummy. So that is so. Sa, she, su, say, so. So next will come na, ni, nu, ne, and no. Na. A naughty nun sitting in front of a cross. So these are some words also with which we can remember hiragana. A naughty nun sitting in front of a cross or praying in front of a cross. So this is na. Second is ni. Ni. Ni is a needle is pulling a thread. So this is needle. This is thread. So ni. Ni. Next is nu. Nu is like some noodles. Nu is like some noodles. Nu, noodles. Next will be ne. Ne. Ne is for neko. Neko is a sitting cat. You can also write like this. Neko. Neko is a sitting cat. This is the neko, cat. Next one is no. So no is like a pig nose. This is like a pig nose. Next is ta. Ta, chi, su, te, to. So friends, this is exception. Okay, remember this is not ti, this is chi. First one is ta. Ta. Ta looks like ta. Ta looks like ta. Ta. Next one is chi. So friends, chi. Where is the chin? This is only a big mouth. Where is the chin? That is chi. Su. Su is two fish hanging in a hanger. So this is the main shape like a hanger. These are two fish hanging in a hanger. This is su. Next one is te. Te. Te, T-E-N, ten. T for te. T for 10. Next is to. To. So to is a toe with a little splinter on it. So to. To. Next is ha, he, who, he, ho. So ha, he, who is wrong, that will be fu. He, ho. This is also exception. Ha. Ha is like a ha. H-A, ha. H, this is A. Ha. H-A, ha. You can remember this ha as H-A, ha. Next one is he. He is like he has a big nose. He has a big nose. He. Next is fu. Fu is fuku. Fuku means cloth. Like a cloth has many layers, fu has also many layers. Fu. Next is he. He is the famous mountain, Mount St. Helens. This is like a hill, mountain hill. So he. Next is ho. Ho. Ho is like H O, ho. So ho will be like, you can remember this like ho. Ho. Ha and hu are nearly same. Ha is like this is ha and this is ho. 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 Next is ra, re, ru, re, ro. Ra is a rapper rolling a CD. Okay, Ra. Now Re. Re. Re is like in a rice field when wind blows, re sound is coming. That is re. Next is ru. Ru stands for a crazy root. This is like a crazy root. Next one is ray. Ray. Ray is a ray of hope. Row. Row is a plain old road. Row stands for plain old road. Next one is ma, me, mu, me and mo. Ma. Me. Ma. Ma stands for ma, mom, ma. Me looks like 21. So, me who just turned 21. Me. Next is mu. Mu. A pig says moo. Next one is may. May stand for I. So this is basic structure of I. This may. Next one is mo. Mo. To catch more fish, add more worms to your hook. Mo shape is like a hook and two worms are attached in it. So, to catch more fish, add more worms to your hook. This is mo. Next one is ya, you, yo. Yas is like a yak. This is like yak. So this catches the basic structure from here. Ya. Ya. Next is you. You looks like a fat fish. A fat fish. You. Next is yo. Yo. Yo is Yo-Yo Honey Singh. You can remember this like Yo-Yo Honey Singh. Ya, you, yo. So the next will be This is and va. Va is like the shape of a wasp wing. This is like wing of a wasp, and this is sharp as the sting of a wasp. So this is va. And next one is o. O is like wo or o. Like a boomerang coming from a mouth. So this is O. O. Wo or O. A boomerang coming from a mouth. So friends, that's all with hiragana for today. In the next class, I will teach you katakana. In the next class, I will teach you katakana and some conjunctions of hiragana. Like in hiragana, when we add two words, then there is a rise of a new word. So in the next class, we will read that. I will teach you that. So our hiragana will be completed and our katakana will be completed in the next class. So thank you for watching for today. Thank you friends. Bye bye.